Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. You can see my beautiful cucumbers are coming up here. So you don't want to be one of those person that give your neighbors fresh cucumber from your backyard and be like, hey guys, this is fresh from my garden, home garden, and then your neighbor decides to take a bite and it's sour or it's bitter, and your neighbor be like, wow, these guys don't have the green thumb at all. So you don't want to be in that situation that you're giving your neighbor stuff or giving your friends and family stuff and it does not taste good. And even to yourself, you pick a fresh cucumber, you want to make a cucumber salad, and out of the blue you're tasting your cucumber and it's sour. So guys, the main common reason for your cucumber to be sour or bitter, it's definitely when the plant is stressed out. And the reason why the plant could be stressed out, it could be high temperature. It could be like 90 degrees and the plant will get stressed out. The leaves will get droopy, the leaves will get burned. It puts a lot of stress into the plant and the plant can hardly even survive, and much less producing a delicious cucumber. The thing, guys, if you're watering one day in the morning, then you come back 3 days and you're watering at night, your watering is off. Your plant is confused. Your plant is going to be stressed out. That could be another reason too. Or if you decide to prune your cucumber plant in the hot weather and the hot sun, you could make a lot. You could basically stress out your plant more. So prune late in the evening. After you water in the morning, you let the sun beat them up. If it needs a little bit of water in the afternoon, because if it's really hot or you see your leaves is droopy, add a little bit of water, wait a little bit, and then prune. Don't prune during when the heat, because that's gonna stress out your plant automatically. I don't prune in the heat, guys. And another thing, you gotta stick with your water. You gotta water. If you're watering in the morning time, which is the best time, water in the morning time. If it's like 90 to 100 degrees in your cucumber plant, you gotta understand, first of all, guys, cucumber plant needs a lot more water than regular plants. So if it's 90 degrees, I'm telling you what I do. So what I do, I come in the morning and I water lightly in the morning. And then when I come back in the evening, around 5-6 o'clock, I will water back lightly. So that's why I have my cucumbers growing. The leaves are not droopy, there's nothing, and I'm not over watering. By the time I water lightly in the morning, the sun comes out, it dries up that water. Then comes 4 or 5 o'clock, the plant is dry. The soil, I come and I check, the soil is so dry. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna wait till tomorrow because someone said don't water twice a day? No, you water your plant twice a day. If your plant needs water twice a day, you water twice a day. I water my cucumber plant twice a day when it's really hot. When it's not that hot, you water once a day, and then when the temperature gets cooler, then you could skip every 2 day, every 3 day, but keep up with your water. So another thing could be the nutrition. Maybe it's lack of nutrition, maybe it's lack of nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the key to your cucumber plant. If you guys saw my video, you guys know the only thing I add so far besides fresh soil, I add coffee ground. Use coffee ground, and since I add that, you could see I've been harvesting cucumber non-stop, guys, and I don't have a problem with anything wrong with my cucumber plant. And I'm gonna actually, you know what, I gotta harvest again. So I'm gonna do in my next video, I'm gonna harvest and I'm gonna show you how I'm harvesting more and more, and I do not have a problem. So guys, stick with your water schedule. If you're working, try to figure out a schedule that you could water one time. Stick with that time. If you could water morning time, it's the best time to water your plant. Remember, don't prune in hot sun, and add a little used coffee ground or fresh soil or some kind of organic fertilizer with nitrogen, more of nitrogen inside, and and that will keep your plant up to date and healthy. So your plant is not gonna be underwater, under nutrition, and then grow the best fruit for you. So if you can understand, if you're up to date with your water and it has enough fertilizer or used coffee ground, your plant is basically just gonna have enough energy, no stress, and just produce sweet, juicy, delicious cucumber, guys, all the time. I'm telling you. I'll pick one to show you guys right now. Look at this. All you do is brush the spikes off. See the lighter stripes coming in from the bottom? Once it comes halfway, that's good. You do not want your cucumber to be yellow. If you have an overripe cucumber and it's yellow, it will taste sour. So what do you have to do? Harvest your cucumber on time. Do not wait till it gets yellow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Wanted to make this video short for you guys. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. Any question, guys, comment below. And please don't forget, it's 100% free to subscribe and click the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. And I do appreciate everyone who's been watching. And thank you guys so much for watching GreenTGarden. I'll see you guys next time.